Oksudan siinä osa pakkarapuja. Osa on. No, come figlia. Ecco, scritto riceve. Oh, beh. That's good. That's so good. Essere secco. Mior. That's so good. That's French fries, white fried rice. That's good space. Selammat. Lääkkäppi. Karitsa kusumme. Masoli. Se vielä lätskeen tatsukku. No, pekin. Pääri. Äyvärin. Se on shrimp. Chicken. Spare ribs. Tapioca. Hot dog. John. Oh, what? On sauda. Sen ammantarattiin puu. Saatko fili kävin niissä kun eli soppatietosanat. That's me. Tuossa kappaan kamenta. Käpusi poka roorommi syö. Opa kamme. Se on sapu. Mm. Pamit. No saco pama sabu. O seré ko para nari de feili. Na, o se ko kumaga. Oye, kakiros. Eh, kakirosun. Neset. Ya se puede. O se saban. And se tapioca. O moro bube pinky. Era pata. Ageti we sak nori se bube wesen. Saraba rabata. Men. Ariaro bube sakun. Oh, happy Easter. Couple Easter. I'm eating Chucky's food. I have mussels. Well, not Chucky's, but you know, just a normal Chucky's plate. Tapioca, shrimp, fried rice. I'm having a hard time peeling my shrimp. Anyways, what are you guys doing? Is it daytime or nighttime at your location? Right now, here in Hawaii, it's 12 midnight. Well, it's framed. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Yakwe. Salamat at Skebu. I was a cool non Barry. Anyways, Happy Easter. Once again. Ese voy llevar it. Let's go for it. One more shrimp. Esa parita que o shrimp metsukurtaya. Yeah, was the shrimp fuduk. Ra itera peruza the shrimp. No. Look. Akura fite vereria vika. Hi Ryan. We're related. Where are you from? You're yes. Bata. Are you Sina's nephew? That's my sister. Or my niece. Do you know who's Sina? Sina Guam? Sina. D-Town. I'm from Bata. Oh, Red City? That's my aunt. Bogota? Edwin? You're, what, her son? My grandpa is your grandpa's brother, cousin. So if you come Sabota, you come to my house. If I go Ebin or Bogota, I go to your house. Anyways, I'm surprised I have viewers on here. Hi Ryan. Nice meeting you. I'm Jenny. Is she back from Chuk? How old are you? Nasarnaga nga waito yega kurake bogori zebin. Yewa wesen. Nom nora rotsa tsukui. Nekedera. You're 12? Oh, you're younger than I thought. Are you in Guam or Chuk? Wait, but do you know who's Sina? I think, wait, who's that? No, thank you. I'm about to end my life. Same last name as yours. No, Sina, and then your last name. 'Cause her mom is Sabada, but uh, her dad is from Epping. Sina Paul. What grade are you? Seventh grade or eighth? Oye, si puede puputa se fe oro e alate tapioca. Tapioca. Mayreen, well, you're 6. She's my niece. You know her husband, June? Oye, I was the food I empty. Ngame war, ngame fiole, oye. Mmm, you're June's cousin? Kageri ve rira kapo. Oh, wow. Oh, oh, I wanted it again. Oh, di, tatsu. Nakaponera. Ika ettoro tiarats. Everavon. I'm done. Nebong, nebong. Ewan. Pasangan sa kuara waye. Travis Scott. What's up, Travis Scott? Nebong ni baby. Apa ni dapat tu? Kiri sore baby katoreye. Life aye wo. Bu esos tiere que ya or puro sagame asos. Okay. Mira de buen ni baby orerom. Oh, yo ya. Nasa city fausira po koro ya wo. Way life. Oh, akura. Okay, nebong, 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 nebong ni baby. Kiriso. Put in them.